Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find an Instagram ID using a phone number in 2025. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu. From there, go into Account Center. In Account Center, tap on your information and permissions, then choose Upload Contacts. Now enable the toggle next to Connect Contacts. This will allow Instagram to sync your phone's contacts and help you find any accounts linked to saved phone numbers. After you've enabled that, go back to the main screen and tap on the search bar. Type in the phone number of the person you're trying to find. If the number is connected to any Instagram account, you'll see it show up under the Accounts section in the results. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.